Well, hello friends, it's Running Kimono, and in today's video, we're going to talk about the best gain deals this Saturday, which is the 5th, over at the Dollar General. And I'm going to walk you through this to do some digital along with some paper deals. Now, before we dive into that, I just want to talk really quickly. I think it was this weekend I made a video about the clearance event that will be taking place from the 11th to the 13th. That is coming up very, very quickly. So you got a week to prep and look through your clearance section and all that stuff. I basically just kind of jog through what I specifically do to get the most amount of success in my video. So if you want to check it out, absolutely go for it. I will link the video in the notes and at the very end. There's a lot of great information, and next week will be all about the prep work on how to be the most successful at this clearance event, and I'm really looking forward to it. Okay, so let's dive back into gain. So Saturday, June the 5th, you'll have the biggest savings, where the 5 off of 30 and the 5 off of 25 will stack. So you get $10 off of a $30 basket. You have to get to $30 on the nose. It can't be $29.99. It has to be over $30 for these two to work. Use the Dollar General app to scan to make sure that the 5 off of 30 is at least attaching to your products. Bring a pad of paper and pen. Go old-fashioned and take some very good notes to make sure that your math balances. Any issues you have at checkout, don't be shy to void your transaction. And let's remember, I'm here in Michigan, so these are Michigan prices. If you're in a different part of the United States, it might be a little bit more or a little bit less. The gain 5 off of 30 is of a one-time use, so pick the week that you want to use this very carefully. Okay, so the first deal that we have is 100% digital. So we're going to need the 5 off of 25, and again, I'm suggesting that you try this on a Saturday. And not every city this stack works, but most of them do, just to note that as well, because a lot of people are like, it doesn't work. So just be careful of that. Don't be shy to void. Anyhow, 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30, you need both of these guys loaded. Okay, so the first item that we're going to grab is a fabric softener for $3.95. We have a $1 digital coupon. As you can see, it expires on that Saturday, so use it or lose it. Now, when you scan the item, the dollar and then the 5 off of 30 are attaching. This is the stack we're looking for. We're also going to grab one of these detergents for $13.50, and we have a nice little $2 coupon that's attaching. And then one of the Gain Fling 51 counts for $13.50, and we also have another $3 coupon that is attaching. Okay guys, so looking at the math here, this is how I would scan it in case some of these digitals will attach to other items. Scan smallest to largest digital coupon wise. So the Gain fabric softener for $3.95, the Gain detergent for $13.50, the Gain Fling for $13.50. So boom, boom, boom. Punch in your phone number as the cashier's scanning everything. Your total is $30.95. The 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 are coming off as we're doing this on a Saturday, along with $6 of digital manufacturers. The $1 for the fabric, the $2 for the detergent, and the $3 for the fling. You're left with paying $14.95 for the 3 items. It's almost $5 per product, but if you consider that 2 of the items are massive containers of gain, I don't think this is the worst deal. Okay, next deal is again digital. So we're going to need the 2 boosters loaded that include the 5 off of 30 and the 5 off of 25. Let's not forget, we're going there on a Saturday. First item that we're going to grab is 3 of the Gain dish soaps. So we're also going to need this $1 off 2 loaded. And so we're grabbing an extra one just to get the math to balance right to 30. So that's why. We're also going to grab one of these Gain melts for $3, and then we have a $1 digital. So please make sure that you have this guy loaded. And then also in the Febreze Gain family, we're all going to grab one of these clips for $5. And then we have a $1 coupon that's attaching as well. Now for $3.95, we're going to grab one of these Gain fabric softeners. We have this $1 digital coupon, so it is going to attach to that. And then the final item for our basket is one of these massive containers of the Fling for $13.50, an excellent value. And then we have this $3 digital that's attaching. Okay, friends, let's take a quick look at the mathematics for this deal. So as stated, we're going to grab 3 of the Gain dish soaps at $2 a pop, so that's $6 right there. 1 Febreze with Gain, that wax malt for $3. Look for that in the regular air care aisle and also on side end caps sometimes. 1 Febreze Gain car clip for $5. 1 Gain fabric softener for $3.95, and then 1 Gain Fling 51 count for $13.50. So the total for everything is $31.45. As the cashier is scanning everything, that's when you punch in your phone number. The 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 will be coming off, along with $7 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're left with paying $14.45 out of pocket plus your tax, shaking each item to $2.06 per product. Okay, so the final deal that we have is with paper coupons, and this is for more advanced couponers. We're going to need the 2 boosters loaded, which is the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30, those 2. We're going to grab 7. Yes, 7 of these guys for $2, so that's $14. And it is a lot, but in the June P&G, this guy showed up, which is $1 off 2. Because this is $1 off 2 coupon, how it'll work at the cash registers is you need the cashier to scan 2 of your products, 1 coupon, 2 of your products, 1 coupon. If not, only 1 coupon will scan and the second one will beep, because it's just the way that the cash registers are over at the Dollar General. So that's a little jog you have to do. And then we're going to need this $1 off 2 digital as well loaded, as we're grabbing so many. That's why we're going to use all 3, like 2 papers and 1 digital. I'm going to grab 2 of these guys, which are the Gain fabric softeners for $3.95. Now, from that June P&G where we got the dish soap one, there's also this dollar coupon. So, hey, we'll use one of those. And then along with, if you go through your digital coupons folder, we also have this dollar one. And let's scan this $3.95 guy before this one, which is the larger one for $6.95. Alternatively, you could also get a detergent. And then from that same insert, we have a $2 off that will attach to the fabric softener or the larger detergent for $6.95. And to just even out the basket, we're going to grab one of these wax melts for $3. And we have this, which is the dollar coupon for these wax melts. Again, you might have to do a bit of rooting around in the store. Make sure it has the word Gain on it as well. Looking at the mathematics for this, guys, 7 of the Gain dish soaps at $2 each, so that's $14. 2 of the Gain fabric softeners at $3.95 is $7.90. 1 Gain fabric softener at $6.95. So I would scan the smaller ones at $3.95 first, and then the larger ones secondly. And then 1 Febreze with Gain, that wax melt for $3. Adding this all up, you get a total of $31.85. As the cashier is scanning your stuff, that's when you punch in your phone number. And then, just to make this clear, the cashier scans your Gain or your Gain dish soap, present 2, a coupon, 2, a coupon. It's a weird jog, but that's how you have to get them to scan. Again, for more advanced shoppers. And then you're presenting the $2 off and the $1 off from the June P&G for the Gain detergents, the smaller and the larger one. So after the cashier presses the final pay button, 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 are coming off, along with $3 of digital manufacturers. You're left with paying $13.85 for the 11 items, shaking it out to $1.25 each. Oh my gosh. So if you have at least 2 of the June P&Gs and have the same coupons, this is definitely a deal pour vous. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.